Customer quotes by item report. From this report, you can generate what are the items you have quoted to your customers. You can access this report from Items, Reports, Customer quotes by item. From report filters, you can select your items. You can select active, inactive or both items. You can select your item categories. You can select service, physical and both items. From report options, you can select date range. From style, you can select summary or detailed report. You can select quotation status. You can select accepted, declined, pending, expired, invoiced or all quotations. Hit view report button. You can view customer quotes by item report. You can view the date range. You can view page numbers. From this report, you can view items you have quoted to your customers. You can view the quotation date, quotation number, customer name, quotation expiry date, quotation status, quantity, total cost, total selling price, GP amount, GP percentage. You can view each items and you can view the total for each item and you can view the grand total. We have generated customer quotes reports from customer module, customers, reports, customer quotes by customer, in this report, quotations grouped by customer. In this report, customer quotes by item report, report is grouped by item. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original document and you can export this report to PDF, CSV or Excel, and you can print or email this report. You can generate summary report, items, reports, customer quotes by item, you can select style as summary and view report. In this report, you can view one line for one item.